how to sign up on systeme.io or how you can register your new account. So if you want to register an account on systeme.io, it's quite simple. Open your browser and just go to systeme.io, which is the official website. Then on the top right, you can find an option that says get my free account. So just go to the get my free account option. Now here you can see enter your email address. So all we have to do is just enter the email address that we have access to. Click on the get account button right there. And once done, we simply need to log into our current email address. And once we log into our current email address right here, we will be able to see our verification link from system. So click on it and then just click on the confirm your email address and click on this confirmation link. And once you've done that, you simply have to create a password. So go ahead and then make sure to basically also create your password that you want to. You can also verify the I'm not a robot CAPTCHA. Then click on the save button right here in order to save the password if you want to. And once you've done that, you can see that we have successfully created our systeme.io account. This way you'll be able to go ahead and basically create our systeme.io account. I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end and see you in the next video.